A lot of young people have that stigma. They've seen it on shows, you know, you watch Trailer Park Boys and then King of the Hill. So you have this stigma that you're getting into like a trailer house, and they come in and they're like, oh my gosh, I can't believe this.
I've been extremely discouraged by the housing market in my area. We haven't really found anything that meets our price range until we turn to manufactured housing. So I know, speaking for myself and a lot of our other clients, it's truly inspiring to see young people get into the housing market, including myself and my husband.
My son actually just bought one, so it's a very exciting opportunity for young people that didn't think they could afford a home and realizing they can.
When I first started looking at manufactured homes, I was actually really surprised at the quality that's on the inside of them. It doesn't look like a manufactured home. It looks like a real home that I could live in with my daughter.
Home ownership in general, especially manufactured homes. Even in today's market, you're investing in yourself almost immediately. You're able to get into a home that has instant equity rather than renting month after month, spending your money on somebody else's savings account. This is a great opportunity to start that savings account off right.
I would highly encourage anyone that is currently renting an apartment or they're currently house shopping and they're not finding houses that are within their price range, go out and research manufactured housing. It's a great option. It will meet a price point, and a lot of times it is much better than renting an apartment.
I mean, with renting, you don't own your own place. You have to deal with the landlord. And unfortunately for me, one of the things that's happened is I'm a single mom. When I've been renting, I've had to move almost every year because when the rent goes up, I gotta go. That's just how it is. Being in a manufactured home basically gives me the opportunity to have my own place for the first time.
So if you're spending $2,000 on rent, you're in the strike zone of being able to make a monthly mortgage with a HUD-built home.
Not only am I a manufactured home sales representative, I'm a home buyer myself with a manufactured home project, and there are many types of loan options to accommodate for young home buyers and first-time home buyers with manufactured home products.
So if you're looking at entry-level, mid-level, or all the bells and whistles, there's something to meet your budget.
You know, you could be on the very low end. You purchase a new single wide for maybe $70,000 up to fully loaded triple wide at $250,000. But typically, even on the high end, a manufactured home is still going to be a lower price point than what you would find in the traditional stick-built market.
Manufactured homes are appealing to young home buyers and first-time home buyers because of their affordability, with still balancing cost-effective materials that are high-end, quality, and customizable.
The buying power of our manufacturers, they're not buying just one home package. So they're not buying 4 2x4s or something like that. They're buying it on such a higher volume that your home overall is just made a lot less expensive because of the volume that they're taking in.
I think some people think when they hear factory built that it's just prefabricated, but it's truly a personalized process.
There are times that it is almost indistinguishable between site built when it's prepped correctly.
The days of you get the red one, the blue one, or the green one.
Of paper thin walls and a chill box is a thing of the past. Today's manufactured homes, energy efficient right out of the gate, flexibility and options. It's almost like going into a custom home builder, but knowing that your home's going to be affordable at the same time without that custom price tag.
So you get to pick everything from the floor plan, the size of the home you're looking for, the flooring, the baseboards, the countertops, the finishes that are inside your home, and it's a truly personalized process.
We customized our home completely. We remodeled the floor plan the way we liked it with Cavco. We were able to add a lot of our own custom stuff like custom flooring throughout, custom granite countertops, and we were able to make the home really the way we wanted.
So factory built doesn't mean that you lose the personal touch in your home. You still have that, it's still gonna feel like a home, and it can be exactly what you're looking for. If you are looking for a home today, I would highly recommend looking into manufactured housing. Please do your research, educate yourself about manufactured housing.
If you click on our website, you can click on Find a Home to learn more about the manufacturers as well as the retailers, and find a business to find out about your lenders to package your loan.
And don't assume that you can't afford a manufactured home, because we have tons and tons of floor plans and pricing options.
If it worked for me, it can work for you too.